All right, welcome to day 38 of my postpartum journey. I'm Alexandra Harbushka. This is my husband, Bill, in the background. He's on dish duty. When you watch the whole video, you'll see us talking about it in the end. Anyways, if you are just tuning in and this is your first video, you are following me along on my 60-day postpartum journey. So I am recording and updating you on my weight loss journey. So if you're brand new to this, before I got pregnant, I weighed 120 pounds. Walking into the hospital, I weighed 152 pounds. I gained a total of 32 pounds. Right now, today, on day 38 of postpartum, I weighed 133 pounds. So I have 13 pounds to go and 22 days to go. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I might be a little overambitious. But anyways, back to today's video. So I recorded making some homemade turkey soup. And I used my own bones that I got, not my bones, obviously, but bones from the market that were some turkey backs, turkey necks, and turkey drumsticks, made a broth and then saved the broth, and then I made a turkey soup today. There's lots of nutritional benefits with broth, especially during postpartum. So homemade broth adds a lot of things like vitamins, minerals from all the bones, collagen. See, this is where Bill comes in. That's why he's in the video. Collagen. So it is good for the anti-Botox, but it is also really good for other joints and ligaments and repairs throughout your body. So it's not just this area, which you can see I'm not using Botox right now because I am nursing.
You can totally see.
Yeah,
it
totally.
looks really terrible.
You can totally tell. Anyways, it basically helps your womb repair. There was a huge open wound with the placenta, and it just helps recovery. It helps you get back. It helps, with all of that. So watch this video. Bill's doing the dishes. What?
And you get good collagen. Just remember that. Turkey soup, collagen, perfect. I mean, look at this.
He needs more turkey soup.
I need a lot more turkey soup. I could have that whole pot back there. You can't see it.
Yeah, they can.
Well, there it is.
There it is right there.
Hey,
You were pointing right at it. You were on
That's
it.
pretty
It
good.
was like pin the tail on the pot. Okay, so, and also I didn't mention all the other nutritional benefits that can help you fight or improve your immune system, which is really important right now, especially if you're breastfeeding and postpartum, not to mention coronavirus. Anyways, I'm just gonna be quiet. I'll let you get to today's video and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. All right, I'm making some turkey soup. So the other day I made a big broth. So what I did is I purchased, this was over the holidays, I purchased turkey backs, turkey necks, and turkey drumsticks. And what I did is I boiled it all with some carrots, some celery. We're on quarantine, so I had to get creative. Carrots, celery, bay leaf, salt, pepper, and then some garlic. And now I'm gonna go on ahead and make some turkey soup. So one of the things that I'm doing is because I have the broth in the big pot, I'm making a little bit differently. And so I'm actually burned it. Not my intention doing that on camera. I am sauteing everything in a saute pan, then I'm gonna throw it into the big pot. So let me show you what I'm doing here. So here are my onions that I'm just sauteing. You can see I did a little bit of burnt, but that'll be fine. And I am sauteing them, and I'm trying to do this backwards. How do I do that? There we go. I am sauteing them in duck fat because I like the flavor. It adds some extra nutrients, some more vitamins, and it just tastes good. Let me turn that down. So here's my onion sauteing. Then right here I have a lot of carrots that I just chopped up that I'll add to the saute. Here is my duck fat. See that? My duck fat. This is, I get it at Whole Foods. It's delicious. It adds so much great flavor. And then I have some celery I'm gonna put in there and some garlic. So here I go. Stay tuned. I'll show you as it continues. But this is so good for two things. One, it's great for postpartum. The broth, the soup. So the broth is great for postpartum, and it's also great for your immune system. It adds collagen, which are great for your ligaments. It's great for repair. It adds extra vitamins, minerals, nutrients from all the bones that were in that were just boiled. So many good things that are benefits. So I'll go over that in the next video. All right, I'm gonna put the carrots in here because my cutting board's running out of space, and I'm gonna chop up the celery. I got a lot of garlic here, a lot of garlic. I just like a lot of garlic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves. Garlic is very good for your immune system as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. I love this garlic press. It's like the world's best garlic press. It's ridiculously expensive, but it actually works. A lot of them don't work. It's, I don't even know who makes it. I got mine at Sur La Table. Amazing, 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 amazing. It's like the best garlic press in the world. Here's a trick I learned on the Food Network when I was in high school. I used to run home, watch the Food Network. It was like my favorite thing to do, is how do you get that garlic smell off your hands. Now, I personally like it, I enjoy it, and I can't remember if it was Emerald, if it was Mario Botelli, or Sarah Moulton. I can't remember who taught me this trick, but you wash your hands, then you make sure they're dry. Your hands have to be dry, and then you rub them on stainless steel, and it takes the garlic smell off, I swear. So here's a pan I didn't use. I was going to use it, but it wasn't big enough, so I'm gonna rub my hands on the stainless steel. I swear, and it gets the garlic smell off. Crazy, but I'm telling you the truth. Try it. Again, I love the smell, but I thought I'd share that little tip with you. All right, I'm gonna saute this. I'll add this to it, and see you in the next video. While this is cooking down over here, my onions and garlic are cooking down, I thought I would talk to you about some of the benefits, and this is crooked, there we go, some of the benefits of garlic, because it is so beneficial for our health, for everything. So actually Hippocrates, which was an ancient Greek philosopher, medicine man, he used it a lot. So he was like the first dude that really prescribed it or used it or had his people use it. So he used it for respiratory issues, he used it for parasites, he used it for poor digestion, fatigue, all of that stuff. So he was the guy that figured it out to begin with. Nowadays, there's obviously more research, and we've been doing a lot more with it. So garlic actually helps with anything to do with the heart. So it has to do with your blood system, has to do with your heart, has to do with high cholesterol, heart attack, heart disease. It really helps a lot in our cardiovascular health, also in other cancers. So they're finding links to garlic helping prevent, or definitely do your own research on this, of course, but linking it to helping with lung, prostate, breast, what else? Stomach, rectal, colon. I mean, so add garlic to your diet, obviously, to prevent that. And then it's also thought of as a great antibiotic, which is really great right now with the coronavirus. So it's thought as an antibiotic, and also can be thought of preventing the common cold. So not preventing, but fight off the common cold, so help you fight it. So either eating it raw or eating it cooked, Obviously, I'm cooking it right now, but I am very, very liberal with my garlic. I love the taste of it. I add it to a lot of everything, so I think it's really good. Other thing that I found really interesting about garlic, which I didn't know, is it can help prevent preterm labor, and that's because it can help fight off bacterial infections that would then cause preterm labor. So it doesn't actually prevent preterm labor, but it fights off the bacterial infections. All right, I'm gonna add these foods here to my foods. I'm gonna add my celery and carrots over here to what I'm doing and let that cook down for a little bit, and I'll see you in a bit. See how everything is just melting, or it's just wilting down, so cooking it down, nice consistency, and then I'm gonna add it over here into the broth. So not quite ready yet, needs a little bit more time. All right, it's been probably over an hour, maybe an hour and a half. We had another feeding. I brushed my teeth, put lipstick on. I got ready for this video. Anyways, so let me just show you what's going on and where we are with this progress. So the carrots, let's see, there we go. The carrots and celery and onions have all sweated and melted down. So this is exactly how we want it to look. The soup, I'm gonna throw them into the broth here. The broth it's not been heated or anything at this point. And then I'm gonna also add some peas. I love peas. I think they'll be good. And then when I made the broth, it's loud. When I made the broth, I saved the turkey from the turkey drumstick and all that. So I'm gonna add that in there. And then over here, I am defrosting. I have a chicken breast that I'm defrosting, so I'm gonna add that to the soup. So I'm gonna do that really carefully so that I do not splatter. Oh, like I was gonna say, normally in the big pot right here, I do all the sauteing before I add the broth. But in this case, I had broth in the pot, so I had to saute it in a separate. So normally I do it all in one pot, but in this case, like I said, I love peas. Okay, and so let me show you how it looks. Okay, so I have the peas in there. They're on the top. We have lots of carrots. We have celery. And then this is just gonna simmer on low together. I am not gonna add the turkey or the chicken in there yet. I might add the chicken because the chicken's raw, it needs to cook. I'm not gonna add the turkey because it's already cooked, and I don't want it to keep cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking all day. So that's already cooked. I'm gonna just turn this on low, let it simmer until dinner. So that is basically how I make my turkey soup. Of course, I'll taste the salt and pepper, see what I need to add, and I'll add this turkey when we get closer to dinner. And I might add some noodles. I don't know. That's how I make my turkey soup to keep my family healthy. It's also great for me right now during the postpartum recovery to help heal my uterus. All right. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, you want the recipe, all that. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. All right, here's the final soup here. Doesn't that look good? So I'll show you when we dish up. All right, so Bill, I made the turkey chicken soup.
Your famous turkey soup.
What do you think?
With the turkey back.
So here's what it looks like. We got the peas, the carrots, the onions, turkey, the chicken I put in there. You want to take the first bite? You want to do it on camera?
Delicious.
Let's witness
good.
this.
Okay, good. We've got a little bit of everything in there.
Yeah. Good?
As always.
Okay,
delicious.
I haven't tasted it yet.
It's really good.
All right, well, thanks for watching. This was how I made the soup. You guys can make it at home. It's affordable. Easy, super nutritious.
I didn't have to do it.
So many benefits. You could do the dishes.
I do.
There's a
I
lot.
don't mind doing the dishes.
I know.
I like the dishes.
I know.
I know.
There's a lot of nutritional benefits, minerals, vitamins, collagen. It's just what we need right now to fight what?
Collagen.
Collagen's important.
It's like this. Is it
Yeah.
like? Is it like
Yeah, but it also.
Botox or anything? Yeah. Okay.
But it also it does. It's all good for your skin. Yeah,
Okay.
but it also is good for repairing, especially right now in my
need that.
postpartum. Right, it helps repair. Helps with joints. Helps repair any like openings to repair them back together. So right now, I'm recovering. I'm repairing.
You're repairing. You look really good
Thank you.
for repairing.
He loves me. All right, go make your soup.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Bye.